I will draw a dragon, but you can
dragon.
draw.
Oh, you are
because
doing
we are doing
so
flapping,
nice.
okay, of the wings. You can do
Wow.
a butterfly. तो इसलिए हमने fold किया इसको half. If you're making a butterfly, all you have to do is make a small body of the butterfly and just tiny wings. These Zulu pencil colors are pretty cool here. They're nice and soft. Now I'll cut it. Now we'll take a skewer. Okay, now we have to make a tiny hole here.
Oh.
Open it just in the line of the wings.
Center of the wing.
Yeah. Basically, this is like a stand to hold. This will be a stick to hold it.
Oh, so here I'll make the
This
hole.
tiny hole. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to take the Fevistick rock and roller. और यहाँ पे हमें इसको ऐसे apply करना है. Quick and easy, non-messy. Now we're going to take a straw, okay? And then we have to cut it in half, basically making a little slit here, like that. Okay.
Woo. I'm going, I'm flying. Guys, I'm so excited. I feel I'm
Yes.
back in school.
Look at this.